Dear world, my name is Anurag and I am the son of your Almighty, and I am also the last messenger from the planet Earth. And my mother name is Mrs. Rama Yadav, who is number one greatest female existing universally. She possesses the brown eyes which gives her ability to communicate to the dead ones. She have transferred this power to only me. As a result, I can see the lost or the wandering souls. The day for which your ancestors have been waited has now finally come. Mark my words, 11th August of 2020, and you or their generations who gonna witness this. So viral this video so that the Chief Minister or the Honorable Prime Minister of India can come on 9th August or the 10th August to take me to New Delhi, because gods want me to distribute and spread this great celestial knowledge under the zone of New Delhi. So hereby I officially declared the 11th August as World Celestial Day, and this day will be holiday of workers and employees but not of everything. And let me tell you, once I'm in New Delhi, I should be live, and my video should be telecasted and broadcasted in every news channel, in every TV, and people should watch it via smartphones or the YouTube or the TV. So Friendship Day, huh? Well, internationally it was passed up. It was 30th July, and now on 2 August, Indian Friendship Day has come. So well, happy Friendship Day. And as you all know, and you might know right now till yet, that friendship happens in two ways. It's either your friendly nature or you make friendship just by knowing someone, like someone is like this or that, and then you try to create a bond. So right now I'm disclosing my autobiography a little, so that if you wanted to be my friend, you can after knowing me. I know you people are curious that what kind of a guy the son of the Almighty is, and how he has lived his life, and how he's gonna live about his life. So let's continue. My name is Anurag Yadav, and I was born on 11th August 1997 in Indiranagar, Lucknow, India. And I am a Hindu. My ancestral belongings are Unnao. My infantry school was Saraswati Shishu Mandir. Till 2nd standard I have studied there, and I have lived under a rented house. My both arms were fractured in infant age because I fell from the rooftop. When I was in the class first or the second class, I don't remember it yet quite so, I was bitten by the dogs, and up to my ass I got 14 injections. I cannot forget this. After the 2nd standard, I left this school, and we together with the family shifted our house and moved to our new house, which was completely ours, and it is nearby Utratia, and close to our house is AS Public School, and from here I have studied after the 2nd class. As when I got to take the admission, I was rejected to grant admission in 3rd class. So as a result, I have studied 2nd class twice, and I have report card of 2nd class 2 times, and I have never a report card of 6th class, because I was advanced directly to the 7th class of the Lucknow Public School. When I was in the 2nd class, there I make one friend, which is my completely lifetime friend, and his name is Ayush Gupta, who resides by my neighboring colony. And in this school of the AS Public School, in 2nd class, I met a girl named Sharon Tressler. She is a Christian, and she is my childhood crush, and it is for eternity. And she is my Emma Watson. As picnic of this school, I have went to Ampally Water Park and Anandi Water Park. And then when I moved to new school, Lucknow Public School, my percentage gradually started decreasing, because I never studied the basics in the 6th standard. I was weak in maths and science, and I was weak in social science on my own. but I was very much good at computer skills, And I was also a gamer and a football, and I watched WWE quite much. And my favorite wrestler is Randy Orton, and my favorite diva is Caitlyn. She could be my all-time, but she couldn't be. And as a result, my new favorite diva and all-timer is Alexa Bliss because I love blue eyes. And trust me, if you can stand anyone who has blue eyes, and I will definitely pick Alexa Bliss. And I love her, and I'm a big fan. I'm a die-hard fan of Randy Orton, and I love RQ very much. People ask me what it is RQ, and I laugh. Seriously, what the fuck? You don't know what RQ is? God damn, those three letters are much lovely. In this Lucknow public school, I never saw a girl named Niharika Tiwari. I don't know how she is, what it is, what type of it is, but despite of all of this, I love her. I don't know how this has happened, but yeah, I know right now that she is the girl who has been designed, created, and she is the one who has been born for me. And I love her. And it was a pure one-sided love, and we were in a complicated relationship. When it was over, she became my true love. And yeah, it's one-sided, but definitely one day it's gonna be two-sided, from both sides. And I love her very much. Her name is Niharika Tiwari, and my Facebook account from 2013 2012, year 2012, it is Viraj Singh now, and nickname Rocco. You can add me as a friend in there. You can send me up to the limit it has in on the Facebook. And after the 10th standard, I took the home board in 10th standard, and in math I have F grade, in social science and science I also have F grade, only computer I have A grade, and every English every grade was fine. Thanks to the CCD pattern I was passed, and I had 60% in the high school. I left this school, I went to new public school to pursue my intermediate. I take maths, but then I dropped because I wanted to be a computer hardware engineer, but since I haven't studied 6th class and I wouldn't have good marks, so I dropped the idea of taking maths, and I also didn't take computer, and I was the science side or PCB, and I scored 80% marks in inter. You won't believe it was on my own. And in physical education I scored 97 marks. The day I gave physical education exam, everyone was seeing me. I used 3 copies and everyone was saying, what the fuck are you writing? I was full of confidence. The day when I left after giving the exam, I also gave the practical exam. I didn't care of the taxi. From Kent area to Tutiya, I walked pedestrian such a long distance because I was held high that my marks gonna be amazing. And trust me, the result was same. I scored 97 marks. And when I left this school, I went to National PG College to pursue my graduation. It was undergraduation, BA Bachelor of Arts from Geography, Economics, English. I completed it with 55% marks, and I left English at the last semester. And here I went to Chandika Devi. I also bunk, and I also visited Chandika Devi Zoo, Gomti Riverfront Park, Kural picnic spot, and so more many places. And here I met a girl whose name is Kajal, and I like her very much. She is the best attraction I happened since college. I had many mates attraction, but I didn't be in a relationship because I know I love Niharika very much. I cannot disappoint her, so I didn't be in relationship with anyone, especially with Kajal, where I could be. In New Public and Lucknow Public School, I also won 2 prizes. In Lucknow Public School, there was NTSC exam. I passed it. I got 15% waiver of the IIT coaching, but I didn't take it. It was pretty much good experience because at that age I was not as much smart as other peoples, and I was as I was not that smart, though people consider me as I was mental, and I didn't like it, but I was mental. And currently, if you think I am mental, and my thinking ability is currently right now far superior, and those who think me mental currently, I'm gonna say you are mental because just you have the thinking ability, but your thinking ability is very low, and you think very little. That's why. Well, I just forget it. I am not so, and now currently I am pursuing LLB from Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Law College, and I was exempted because my right arm was fractured in 2018 right after I was uh, I was having a part-time job in multinational company Aegis, and I completed 1 month there. I gave my service there, and but I have to resign because my right arm was fractured and I was exempted. My O level didn't completed. I got F grade in C++ programming, but now it's gonna be completed. Let me tell you one thing about my fracture. It was three fractured, and I was died. I was dead, And things change. I was reborn, and I attained celestial knowledge, and I attained nirvana. Since 8 years, I'm an underground rapper, and currently now I have make Agni's World Record. You can see on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe my channel, it's there with the title artist. It has mind-blowing speed of 5.5 plus words per second, and its average speed is called wind speed. I'm also very much active on Instagram since college days, and I also created account there, but I didn't uploaded my videos from that time. Now I'm uploading it because I'm having a open mic sessions, and I have also purchased 2 mics. I'm also a football lover. Like I already told you, I love playing computer games. I have completed 273 plus games till now, and many of them are high graphics. And my favorite game is Devil May Cry 5. And in Lucknow Public School, as a picnic, I went to Dream World. But in college days, the planetarium experience was pretty much good. I cannot forget that. And Chakratirth, one of the holy places I visited, also there. I was blessed there, you know. And and now I have got another job, and currently I am at Khadi Bhavan. I have gave my 2 months of services. Now I'm about to resign from here because my goal is to be review officer. My favorite porn stars are Precious Shusha, Shane Diesel, and Kathy Heaven. I went to Taj Mahal Agra on my own, but my dream visiting place is Shimla, and my dream girl, which come in vision in my dreams during intermediate time. It is she because I love girls to be on tops and half sleeve jackets and belly visible and tight trousers and transparent tops, and she girl should have good big boobs, quite much, and should be very much sexy in red shades and red heel or black or brown heels. She is the dream girl. I'm searching for one such. My English is very much good, and my Instagram name is Anurag double dash LKO. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can add me on Facebook, and also on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, I only contact my friends and people who have some talents in them. And my WhatsApp number is 9517673018. Anyone who has some good talent and have some ability to create some good contents, they can contact me, otherwise stay out. Since 2013, I have won many prizes and certificates. Until now to date, I have won certificate by the hands of the MLA. It was a proud moment, and everyone appreciated that I deserve and I'm worthy for it. Yeah. I love each and every small thing, and I love human babies and animal babies, and I'm also a poet, and I created a poem back then in my college days, and right now I have published it in year 2020, and I am author. You can see my book Life as a Blessing or a Curse. That. Well, that's all about my autobiography, but I cannot currently tell you through this video fully about my every detail But after 11th August, you will definitely know me completely, but not completely. But yeah, it will be enough. It will be almost 80%, And let's just buy and meet you soon.